You're watching Motorhome's Master, your trusted guide for smart travel, honest reviews, and the best motorhome lifestyle tips. If you love the freedom of the open road, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Now imagine this. You wake up far away from the noise of daily life, inside a warm, cozy motorhome parked beside a calm lake. Morning light glows softly through the curtains, the air smells fresh, and the only sound you hear is the stillness of nature around you. You step outside with a hot cup of coffee, stretch your arms, and smile. Because this moment isn't just part of a holiday. This is freedom. This is what the motorhome lifestyle is all about. But here's the truth. For many travelers, this dream road trip quickly turns into frustration. Choosing the wrong motorhome, unexpected rental fees, confusing insurance options, tight layouts, high fuel bills, and surprise penalties that completely ruin the experience. So today, here on Motorhome's Master, I'll show you exactly how to rent the right motorhome, how to save real money, and how to avoid the expensive pitfalls most people never see coming. And to help you make the perfect choice, I'll take you through 3 popular rental-friendly motorhome models, explain their comfort levels, design features, and what makes each one unique, so you can match your rental to your travel style with confidence. Let's start with the smallest and most budget-friendly option, the compact campervan, or what I like to call the urban adventurer. From the outside, it looks sleek and modern, almost like an extended luxury van. Smooth metallic panels, big tinted windows, and a clean aerodynamic shape make it perfect for both city streets and open highways. But the real charm is inside. Open the sliding door, and you're greeted with a compact yet surprisingly clever interior. A rear lounge that transforms into a comfortable double bed, a small kitchen with a stove, fridge, sink, and organized cabinets, and even a compact wet bath with a combined shower and toilet. LED lights give the whole space a warm evening glow, and the windows open wide for ventilation during summer nights. Renters love this model because it's super easy to drive, fuel efficient, affordable, and perfect for solo travelers or couples who want simplicity without sacrificing comfort. It's the best choice for weekend trips, coastal drives, and short adventures where mobility matters more than space. Now let's step into something bigger and much more comfortable, the low-profile motorhome, or the comfort traveler. This is the most popular rental choice for good reason. It sits right in the middle, big enough to feel like a small apartment, yet compact enough to drive comfortably even if you're new to motorhomes. From the outside, it has a clean, modern shape with a lower roofline, panoramic windows, and LED running lights that add a premium feel. But the magic really reveals itself inside. The lounge area welcomes you with an open, spacious layout. A wide L-shaped sofa wraps around a solid dining table. Overhead cabinets are soft close and fitted with warm LED strips, and a large skylight showers the room with natural light during the day and frames the stars at night. The kitchen is fully equipped with a large fridge, 3-burner stove, deep storage drawers, and real counter space that actually lets you cook comfortably. Towards the back, you'll find a permanent bed. Depending on the layout, it could be a French bed or twin singles. And the bathroom? Bigger than you expect. It usually has a dry toilet space and a separate full-size shower cabin. This motorhome is ideal for long road trips, couples, small families, or anyone looking for hotel-like comfort while still enjoying the freedom of the road. It's the perfect blend of size, practicality, and luxury. And now, the king of rental motorhomes, the overcab model, known here as the Family Adventure Lodge. This is the big one, the one with the iconic bed above the driver's cabin. From the outside, it stands tall and strong, with a large front section extending over the cab. This design isn't just for show. It provides one of the most spacious sleeping areas of any motorhome. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the roomy layout. A large dining booth welcomes you with enough seating for the whole family. Above the driver, there's a massive overcab double bed, perfect for kids, guests, or anyone who loves a cozy elevated sleeping space. The kitchen area is big, featuring a tall refrigerator, wide counter, multiple drawers, and a 3-burner stove. The bathroom is also generous, with a separate shower, a toilet area, and a tall wardrobe for clothes. Move to the back and you'll find another permanent double bed for parents. Everything is designed to keep families comfortable on long trips. Soft LED lighting, multiple windows offering scenic views, and storage compartments big enough to hold everyone's luggage and gear. This motorhome wins when it comes to sleeping capacity, storage, and all-round comfort. It's perfect for large families, groups of friends, and long vacations where space truly matters. Now let's compare these three so you can easily choose the best match for your trip. The Campervan is small, agile, and fuel-efficient, perfect for quick getaways or minimalistic travelers. The low-profile motorhome gives you the balance of comfort and drivability. It's modern, spacious, and ideal for couples or small families. The overcab motorhome is all about space and function, making it perfect for families, groups, and anyone who needs multiple beds and lots of storage. So the real question is, do you want agility, comfort, or maximum space? Next, let's talk about the rental mistakes that cost travelers the most money. The first mistake is ignoring mileage limits. Many rental companies give you only 100 to 150 kilometers per day, and going over that can cost a lot. Always choose unlimited mileage when possible. Mistake number 2 is forgetting to record the motorhome's condition before driving off. Always take a full video inside and outside. Every scratch, every dent. This protects you from unfair repair fees later. Mistake number 3 is choosing the wrong insurance. Basic insurance often has huge deductibles. Adding a collision, damage waiver, or full coverage can save you thousands in case of an accident. Mistake number 4 is renting a motorhome that's too big for your needs. Bigger isn't always better. Larger models use more fuel, are harder to park, and cost more in tolls and damage risk. Mistake number 5 is paying extra for accessories you don't need. Many companies charge for bedding, chairs, kitchen kits, and even GPS. Bring your own whenever possible to save money. And mistake number 6 is returning the motorhome without cleaning it. Rental companies charge heavy cleaning fees, so always return it clean with empty tanks and a filled fuel tank. Now here's how to save the most money on your motorhome rental. Book early. The prices rise quickly during peak season. Travel during off-season or shoulder months where rates drop significantly. Bring your own bedding, cooking tools, and essentials. Drive slower to save fuel. Avoid one-way rentals because they add big relocation fees. And always return the motorhome clean, with empty tanks and full fuel. These simple steps can save you a surprising amount, often hundreds of dollars. So which motorhome fits your style the best? The urban adventurer, the comfort traveler, or the family adventure lodge? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your choice. At the end of the day, renting a motorhome isn't just about choosing a vehicle. It's about choosing a lifestyle. It's about waking up to a new view every morning, cooking your breakfast with a mountain in front of you, falling asleep to the soft sound of rain tapping the roof, laughing with family and friends inside a cozy living space, while traveling through places you've never seen. It's freedom, adventure, and memory-making, all wrapped into one unforgettable journey. And when you choose the right motorhome with the right planning, that journey becomes even more magical. This is MotorHome's Master, helping you travel smarter, live freer, and enjoy the motorhome lifestyle. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, comment your favorite motorhome, and subscribe for more weekly reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.